I wish I could tell myself it's all okay. I wish I could tell you that it's not big deal. I wish that it did hurt as much as it does. I wish the feeling would go away and we could just focus on enjoy time with each other. But not how life works. I wish I could just stand on the rooftop of the tile building in the woods and screaming out to every how much my heart aches. I wish I could look you in the eyes and tell you exactly how I feel. I wish I could grab you by the shoulder and shake some sense into you. When I drop a hit and you brush it off, I wish would look at me when the same sparkle in your eyes as when you look at her. I wish you would fall in love with the psychological connection that we have more than the physical attraction you have for her. But that's not how life works. Here how life works. I met you finally because I had seen you around and always true. We were fascinating. But of course, I would never walk up and introduce myself to you. After I met you, we start talking. First, it's the tribal stuff, the boring stuff, the stuff that no one really care about, and it's only meant to be a pillar of awkward silence. And one day, you catch me at around time, and you ask about my day, and I pour that load onto you, and you take an interest. We start talking more and more, less frivolous conversation and more the stick to the bones and make the things. Hear how life works. I start to look forward to seeing you. And as I turn early corner, I hope you're there to light my day for just a few seconds with your smile and charming and witty comments that give me motivation. I put a bit more effort in with the way I look because the truth of you seeing me make me want to try a little harder and you start to flirt with me a little bit because you sense my enjoyment, you sense my happiness, you sense my interest in you. I flirt back because why not? Here how life works. One night you pour into me more than ever through anyone would you tell me. And I tell you I trust you too. We talk for hours on end, and the babe between us seems to change after the night. We begin to catch each other's eyes across the room, sharing glances that only we know the meaning of people big to us. We were dating and we both brushed it off. But being wonder, I begin to fantasize. I begin to hope that this bond will mean something down the road. Here how life works. You become my rock. You become my person. You become my confidant. I learn about you and I admire you more and more because I know who you are and why you are the way you are. I see the one we have clear as day and everyone else to do too. The only one that don't see it is you. Here how life works. Even though I'm the one you fall into. I'm the one you drive around with mindlessly for hours. I might the one go on adventure with. I'm the one you talk about a future with. I'm the one you spend an abnormal amount of the time with. I'm not the one you love. I'm not the one with the beauty pageant book or the shining hair or the flat stomach. I'm not the one with the photogenic face or the personality that draw you.